your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and updates. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta GLI, a sedan that blends sporty performance with everyday practicality. Let's get into the details of what makes this car stand out in the crowded compact sedan segment. The 2025 Jetta GLI has received some subtle yet meaningful exterior updates. Right from the front, you'll notice the aggressive honeycomb grille, with red accents, giving it a signature GLI look. The LED headlights are now slimmer and more defined, adding a sharp and modern appeal. The front bumper design is slightly reworked to look more athletic, and the overall stance of the car has a more planted feel. From the side, the Jetta GLI retains its clean and elegant profile, but with sporty 18-inch alloy wheels that complement its dynamic look. At the rear, the GLI badge sits proudly beneath sleek LED taillights, and the dual chrome exhaust outlets hint at the performance potential hidden under the hood. It's a car that looks refined, but doesn't hide its sporty attitude. Moving to the interior, the Jetta GLI maintains its minimalist yet premium design. The cabin is driver-focused with red stitching on the seats, steering wheel, and gear shifter to remind you this is not your average Jetta. The 10.25-inch digital cockpit display is crisp and fully customizable, giving you all the driving data you need. The infotainment system is fast and easy to use, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. While the interior isn't overly luxurious, the material quality feels solid and well assembled. The front seats are sport bolstered and comfortable, offering great support for long drives. Rear seat space is generous for the segment, and the trunk provides ample storage, making it a practical daily driver. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Jetta GLI continues to be a favorite among enthusiasts. It's powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 228 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. That power is sent to the front wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. The DAC acceleration is strong, and the engine feels responsive and eager, especially in sport mode. The GLI also features a limited slip differential and adaptive dampers, which help keep the ride engaging without sacrificing comfort. Steering is precise, and handling is sharp, making it one of the best driving sedans in its class. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on twisty roads, the GLI delivers a fun and connected driving experience. As for pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta GLI starts around $29,000 and can go up to about $32,000 depending on options and packages. For what you get in terms of performance, tech, and everyday usability, it represents solid value in the performance sedan segment. It's a great option for someone who wants sporty performance without the high price tag of a luxury badge. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Jetta GLI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more detailed car reviews right here on Mastercar Auto.